Hi, in the last video we added enemy. I will show you how it works, and after that we will begin with making enemy attack player. So first make sure that you have player and enemy set up the same as I have. Now we will create special animation for attack. It's important. Length of animation will depend on what rate of attack enemy should have. Now add thing called event in one of the frames. It allows to run function when animation hits that point. After that, let's get back to our script that controls enemy. We first have to declare damage and animator. After that, we will access two functions that run when enemy will touch player. In each function, we will set value of animator parameter called in range, depending if enemy touched player or stopped touching player. Last thing to do in the script is to create function to attack player. So now let's get back to Unity. Now we have to set up animation transitions. After this is done, we have to set up enemy. And the last thing to do is adding our attack function to event. So now let's test it. As you see, everything works fine. So that's the end for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and I recommend watching next videos of this series. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.